Since the beginning, humans have relied on visual communication, signs, to share, to signal or distinguish, to entice, to direct or inspire, to tell a story. Welcome to Cannon Falls, Minnesota, the home of Gemini and the center of operations for our 7 manufacturing sites located throughout North America. Gemini is a place where work is still done by hand, where honesty, craft, and quality endure. A place where our work ethic is matched only by our pride in a job well done. Where the values of our second generation, family-owned business are measured by the extra miles we go for our partners. A lot has changed in the sign industry over the last 50 years, but at Gemini, one thing hasn't changed since Jim and Sharon Weinel started our company with $150 in 1963. They understood, and we still understand today, what it means to be true to your customers. Our commitment to your success begins at the crossroad of innovation and proven solutions, where state-of-the-art manufacturing and the latest advanced materials create made-to-order letters, logos, and plaques that perform for generations. Gemini is a place where doing things right is not just an idea, but a conviction and a culture, reliably performing on your behalf, quietly standing behind you without recognition or fanfare. That's the way we do things here, and how we have for over 5 decades. From our family to your business, from our hands to yours. Products made right, made to order, made true.